ChatGPT, please write up 20 PPT slide scripts for introducing ChatGPT for legal services as detailed as possible with interesting examples for each legal application. Sure, here's an example script for introducing ChatGPT for legal services in a PowerPoint presentation. Each slide includes key points and examples to help illustrate the benefits of ChatGPT for legal applications. Slide 1. Introduction. Title: Introducing ChatGPT for legal services. Welcome to the presentation about ChatGPT, an AI-powered tool for legal services. Brief overview of what ChatGPT is and how it works. Slide 2. What is ChatGPT? Title: What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. Examples of how ChatGPT can be used: language translation, chatbots, customer service, and legal services. Slide 3. ChatGPT and legal services. Title: ChatGPT and legal services. ChatGPT can be used to improve legal services in various ways, such as legal research, contract drafting, compliance, case analysis. Examples of legal applications for ChatGPT. Slide 4. Legal research. Title: Legal research with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can assist lawyers with legal research by quickly scanning through vast amounts of legal documents and providing relevant information. Example: a lawyer needs to research case law on defamation in the United States. ChatGPT can quickly search through legal databases and provide a summary of relevant cases. Slide 5. Contract drafting. Title: Contract drafting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help lawyers with drafting contracts by generating suggestions based on previous contracts and legal standards. Example: a lawyer needs to draft a non-disclosure agreement for a new client. ChatGPT can provide suggestions on key terms and clauses based on previous NDA templates and legal standards. Slide 6. Compliance. Title: Compliance with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help lawyers with compliance by scanning through legal documents and flagging potential issues. Example: a company needs to ensure compliance with GDPR regulations. ChatGPT can scan through their privacy policy and highlight areas that may need to be updated to comply with GDPR. Slide 7. Case analysis. Title: Case analysis with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can assist lawyers with case analysis by reviewing case documents and providing relevant insights and suggestions. Example: a lawyer needs to review a complex case involving multiple parties and legal issues. ChatGPT can provide a summary of key facts and legal arguments, as well as suggest potential strategies for the case. Slide 8. Benefits of ChatGPT for legal services. Title: Benefits of ChatGPT for legal services. ChatGPT can provide various benefits to legal services, such as increased efficiency, improved accuracy, enhanced client satisfaction. Examples of how ChatGPT can provide these benefits. Slide 9. Increased efficiency. Title: Increased efficiency with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help lawyers save time and increase productivity by automating certain tasks and providing quick access to relevant information. Example: a lawyer needs to review a large number of contracts. ChatGPT can quickly scan through the contracts and flag any potential issues, saving the lawyer hours of manual review. Slide 10. Improved accuracy. Title: Improved accuracy with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help lawyers ensure accuracy by providing reliable and consistent information. Example: a lawyer needs to ensure that a contract complies with legal standards. ChatGPT can provide suggestions based on previous contracts and legal standards, ensuring that the contract is accurate and legally sound. Slide 11. Enhanced client satisfaction. Title: Enhanced client satisfaction with Chat ChatGPT can help improve client satisfaction by providing faster response times, more personalized service, and greater transparency. Example: a client needs to ask a question about their case. ChatGPT can quickly provide an answer, saving the client from having to wait for a lawyer to respond. Additionally, ChatGPT can provide personalized service by tailoring responses to the client's specific needs and preferences. Slide 12, Limitations of ChatGPT for Legal Services. Title: Limitations of ChatGPT for Legal Services. While ChatGPT can provide many benefits for legal services, there are also limitations to its capabilities, such as lack of context, bias, confidentiality concerns. Examples of these limitations. Slide 13, Lack of context. Title: Lack of context with ChatGPT. ChatGPT may not always have access to all the relevant information needed to provide a complete and accurate response. Example: a lawyer needs to provide legal advice on a complex case involving multiple parties and legal issues. ChatGPT may not have all the necessary context to provide a complete and accurate response. Slide 14, Bias. Title: Bias with ChatGPT. ChatGPT may reflect biases present in the data it was trained on, which could lead to inaccurate or unfair responses. Example: ChatGPT may be biased against certain groups based on the data it was trained on, leading to discriminatory responses. Slide 15, Confidentiality concerns. Title: Confidentiality concerns with ChatGPT. ChatGPT may not always be able to maintain the confidentiality of sensitive legal information. Example: a lawyer needs to provide legal advice on a confidential matter. ChatGPT may not be able to guarantee the confidentiality of this information. Slide 16, Use cases for ChatGPT in legal services. Title: Use cases for ChatGPT in legal services. ChatGPT can be used in various legal applications, such as intellectual property, employment law, real estate. Examples of how ChatGPT can be used in these areas. Slide 17, Intellectual property. Title: Intellectual property with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can assist with intellectual property matters, such as patent and trademark applications, by providing relevant information and suggestions. Example: a lawyer needs to file a patent application. ChatGPT can provide suggestions on key terms and clauses based on previous patent applications and legal standards. Slide 18, Employment law. Title: Employment law with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help with employment law matters, such as employee contracts and HR policies, by generating suggestions based on previous templates and legal standards. Example: an employer needs to draft an employee handbook. ChatGPT can provide suggestions on key policies and clauses based on previous employee handbooks and legal standards. Slide 19, Real estate. Title: Real estate with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can assist with real estate matters, such as property transactions and lease agreements, by generating suggestions based on previous contracts and legal standards. Example: a landlord needs to draft a lease agreement. ChatGPT can provide suggestions on key terms and clauses based on previous lease agreements and legal standards. Slide 20, Conclusion. Title: Conclusion. ChatGPT has the potential to transform legal services by providing faster, more accurate, and more efficient solutions to legal challenges. Recap of the benefits of ChatGPT for legal services and the potential use cases in various legal applications.